Hello everyone. My name is Bindia Chaudhary and I am from at January batch. And today's date is at April. And today I like to discuss about the Java topic, which is very important. Which is the topic name is string constant pool in Java. First we talk about the what is string. String is a sequence of characters. uh, String is a sequence of characters, and strings are immutable in nature. So strings are stored in a string constant pool. So string constant pool, the memory location given to a string is in the string constant pool. So what is first let's we see about what is string constant pool. So string constant pool is a special memory block which is given to a string to store their data. So it is present inside the heap. In string constant pool, once we create a object of the string, we object of the string. If we again after that again we store a same object, we create a same object, then it does not create the copy of that because the object is same. So it use the previous one. So in string constant pool, the if the in string constant pool we get the property of mutability. So string are very important in Java because we use strings to store a data, just like a password and username, and the data should be not same, because if we store a same password, then how can be it recognize. So in password or username should be different and password should be different. So in that scenario we use strings. So string constant pool are the memory location given to a string, which is string constant pool is present inside the heap memory. So we can create string by two types. One is a string literal, and second one is by a new keyword. So by string literal, if we create a string by a string literal, just like a string s is equal to hello. So hello is stored in the s. So this is directly stored in the string constant pool, which is a special memory block which is given to a string. So if we create a string by using a new keyword, then it first store to the heap memory, and then it's stored to the string constant pool. So it is a string is very important in a Java programming language or in any programming language, because in projects it is very useful for storing the data, just like a password should be unique, then we use a string, because string is immutable and it does not store the duplicate data. So that's all about the string constant pool. So string constant pool is the special memory block which is given in a Java programming language to a string. So string is immutable. String is a sequence of characters. So thank you. String constant pool is let's we revise about the what is string constant pool. So string constant pool is the special memory block given in a Java by a JVM. That's the it is present. A string constant pool is a memory block which is present inside the JVM, which is a special memory block given to a string concept. So when we create a string by a string literal, just like string s1 is equal to hello. So these strings are stored into the string constant pool. If we create a string s1 is equal to hello, string s2 is equal to hello, then it's create only one object of it, because the both are equal. and it's only create only one memory location for it. So it if we create another object, it check whether the address of the first object or second object is same or not. If it is not same, then it's create a other object for it. So string constant pool is used to store the strings in a Java programming language, and we can create a string by two methods in a Java programming language. One by a string literal, and second one is by a new keyword. So by if we create a string by a if we create a string by a literal, then string directly store into the string constant pool. But if we create a string by a new keyword, then first it goes to the heap memory and store in the heap memory, and after that it's store in the string constant pool. And string is a very important topic in any programming language, because we were in we have to store many of the data of our projects in a strings. So that's all about the strings and string constant pool in Java programming language.